Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your TanTan app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. So then here you're looking for the TanTan app, just click on search. Then here at TanTan app, it's going to take you, so it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage. Then you come to storage list, you just click here on clear cache. And all you have to do, you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to you start your phone again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.